Welcome friends. This is CAT 2018 question. Here 10 candidates are given who appear for placement test. A table is given here in which marks obtained in 3 tests are given. So there are few blanks which we have to fill using the given information and answer the 4 questions that follows. So the 3 tests are of DI, English and general awareness, and composite score is out of 80, so 20 marks each of written, general and interpretation, and DI marks are doubled to calculate the composite score. And candidates who score less than 70% marks in 2 or more sections disqualifies, and from the rest 4 are selected who has the highest composite scores. So if 4 or less candidates qualify, all who qualify are recruited, right? So there are 10 candidates, and now let's come to the table and we'll fill that with the given. So this is the table. So we know that person who scores less than 70% marks in 2 or more sections disqualifies. So let's see which who all do not qualify. So that means out of 20 max marks score should be more than 40, right? Greater than 40, 14 marks honge. If they are marks greater than 14, then only that person has scored good marks in that section, and if in 2 sections these marks are less than 14, that person disqualifies. So Bala is one person who is scoring 9 and 11. Chetna also scoring 4 and 12. Then Falak 7 and 10. Right? So these 3 students are clearly not selected. Right? Now let's come to the first statement. No 2 candidates had the same composite score. We'll make one column for composite score also. So what the composite score is. So DI marks will double to calculate composite score. So that DI marks will be out of 40, rest will be out of 20. Composite score will be out of 80. Okay, so DI marks will double. So we know composite score for Chetna, which is 54, and for Esther it's 58, for Falak it's 47, right? For only these 3 candidates all 3 marks are given for each subject, rest of the marks are not given, and no 2 candidates has the same composite score. We'll keep that in mind. Next statement is Ajay was the unique highest scorer in WE. So highest scorer, he is highest scorer, so that means his marks should be greater than Esther, that is 18. So his marks could be either 19 or 20, right? We'll find what marks he scored. It is either 19 or 20. And among the 4 recruited, Geeta had the lowest composite score. Okay. So Geeta score is lowest out of the 4 recruited. Indu was recruited, so we'll mark a tick in front of Indu. She was recruited. Danish, Harini and Indu had scored the same marks in GA. So this marks GA, Harini and Danish. These 3 are same. Indu and Jatin both scored 100% in exactly 1 section, and Jatin composite score was 10 more than Indu's. Okay, so 2 marks are Jatin 16 and 14 are given. So in one score he has scored 100%, so that means 20 here, and its double would be 40. So his composite score will be 70. If his score is 70, Jatin's composite score is 10 more than Indu's, so that means Indu's score is 60. Now Indu was selected, that means Jatin was also selected. His mark is greater than Indu, so it is 60. So now Indu has scored either 20 in DI or in GA. Okay, right. So if suppose Indu has scored 20 in GA and then his score in DI would be 28 and 32, that means 16, right? So that could be the possibility. But if his score was 20 here in DI, that means 48, 20 to the 48 plus 12 here. So his score would be like this. So if that was the case, then 8 and 12 both are less than 70% marks. So Indu would have been excluded. But we know Indu has qualified. So that means her score could not be 12 in GA, right? So that means her score was 20 here in GA and 16 here, right? The 16 double is 32. Okay. Now we know from previous statement Danish, Harini and Indu had scored same marks in GA. So 20 here, then Harini also 20 here, and Danish also 20 here. So Danish composite score would be 31 plus 20, 51. Right. Now coming back to Ajay. Ajay's score is 32 plus 19. It could be either 51 if the score is 19 here, or it could be 52 if his score is 20. But we know his score could not be 51 because Danish has already scored 51. So it has to be 20 in WE, right? So his composite score would be 52. Okay. Okay, now we know that Indu has been selected, Jatin has been selected, and Geeta with the lowest composite score has been selected. So whatever Geeta's, uh, so the fourth person who is selected should have marks which is less than 60. So it could be either 59 or 58, which Esther has. So we'll see if anyone has scored 59. So out of Harini and Esther, Harini could not score 59. His or her maximum score could be 50, right? So it has to be Esther who has been selected. Now Esther has scored 58. Geeta's score should be lesser than 58, right? So it could be 57, 56, whatever. So if also Ajay's in WE, Ajay's score was highest, and that is the unique score. So if Ajay scored 20, so Geeta's score could be either 19 or less than that. Okay, so first see the case when it is 19. So when it is 19, so her total score would be 55, 53, right? 53. But if it is 18, composite score would be 52, which cannot happen as Ajay has already scored 52. Also, Geeta's score cannot be less than 52, else Ajay would be selected and Geeta would not be. Okay. So 19 is her score in English, right? Now we are left with two scores. One is Bala's score here and one is Harini's score here, which we have to find. Now Harini's score, Harini could score either 19 here because 20 was the unique score. So Harini could score 19 or less than that, right? It could be less than 19. So her score would be 49 or less. It could be 49 or less, It is less than equal to 49, right? It cannot be 47 as Falak has already scored 47. So, but it can be less than 49. Now Bala's score, let's come here. Now we know 20 has already been their total. So Bala's score here could be maximum score could be Bala's score cannot be 40, right? If it is 40, then total would be 60, which we already have. Similarly, it cannot be 38. 58 is already there. It could be 36, right? Composite score double of DI would be 36, so that way it can be 56, right? Similarly, it cannot be 34 because 54 we have, 32 also we cannot be, 52 we have, and it can be 30, it can be 30, that way total would be 50, then so on, 28, 24, and so on. It could be any score, right, till 2 till 0. So that's how we have solved this table. Now we'll come to the questions and see what questions have been asked, and we'll solve Bala's answer and Harini's answer accordingly. Okay, let's come to the questions. Coming to first question, which of the following statements must be true? So Jatin's composite score was more than that of Danish. Danish has 51, Jatin has 70, so that is true definitely. Hindu scored less than Chetna in DI. Hindu scored 20, Chetna scored 12. Hindu scored 16, Chetna scored 19, so that is again true. Jatin scored more than Hindu in GI. Jatin scored 14, Hindu scored 20, so that is false. So statements A and B are true, so answer is 3. Which of the following statement must be false? Chetna scored more than Bala in DI. In DI, Chetna scored at least 38. However, Bala's maximum score was 36, so that is Chetna was definitely more than Bala. Harini's composite score was less than that of Falak. So Harini's composite score is either 49 or less than that. Falak's score is 47. So that means Harini's score could be more than Falak or could be less than Falak. So this is not must be false. This could be true or false. This could be either true, it could be either false. Bala's composite score was less than that of Esther. Bala's composite score is either 56 or less than that, and Esther's composite score is 58. So that is true again. Bala scored same as Jatin in DI. Jatin scored full marks in DI. However, Bala's maximum score was 36. So this statement is false. So our answer is 4. Next question is, if all the candidates except Ajay and Danish had different marks in DI. Okay, Ajay and Danish already have same marks in DI. All the candidates have different marks in DI, and Bala's composite score was less than Chetna's composite score. So Chetna's composite score is 54. So Bala's composite score could be either 50 or less than that. Then what is the maximum marks that Bala could have scored in DI? Okay, so Bala's maximum score could be, it cannot be, if it has to be common, it cannot be 30, it cannot be 28, it could be 26. 26 means 13 marks. So Bala's score would be 13 marks. We'll again check this, because 13, 26 plus 20, 46. So his score would be 46, right? Total composite score. So 13 is the answer for this. Now, next question. If all the candidates scored different marks in WE, okay, then what is the maximum marks that Harini could have scored in WE? So Harini's score is less than 19. So less than equal to 19 was score, but it is, the question is saying all the students have different marks in WE, so it if it is not 19, it cannot be 18. 18 has been scored by someone, so it could be 17, but with score of 17 total would be 47, so that is also not possible because 47 has been scored by Falak, so it could be 16. That way it total would be 46, so that is the possibility. So 16 is the marks that Harini could have scored in WA. So that's all for today. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.